Securing a contract within the Department of Defense supply chain is more critical than ever. But as the DoD rolls out its new Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification, or CMMC, contractors are facing a new and significant financial challenge. This isn't just a technical problem, it's a financial one. The costs of CMMC compliance can be substantial, often exceeding $100,000 for many businesses. But you don't have to face this alone. While there's no single federal grant, a strategic approach can help you significantly offset these costs. Let's break down the cost burden. CMMC Level 1, for foundational security, can cost between $3,000 to $6,000. Level 2, required for handling controlled and classified information, can easily cost over $30,000 for a single third-party audit. And Level 3, for expert-level programs, requires even more advanced controls. The most direct financial assistance for CMMC compliance is typically found at the state level. These programs are often administered by local manufacturing extension partnerships, or MEPs. States like Maryland offer the Defense Cybersecurity Assistance Program, providing up to $12,000 for remediation support, along with a separate Buy Maryland Cybersecurity tax credit. Connecticut's Cybersecurity Adoption Program offers grants of up to $35,000, which can be used to help with third-party audit costs. Meanwhile, Virginia's DEFENDCUI-VA program covers 80% of the costs for professional cybersecurity services. Beyond state grants, there's valuable, no-cost federal assistance you may be overlooking. The National Security Agency, or NSA, offers a suite of free cybersecurity services to companies in the defense industrial base. These include protective DNS filtering, automated vulnerability testing, and threat intelligence collaboration, all services that would otherwise require a significant investment. So, where do you start? Step 1. Determine your required CMMC level. Step 2. Contact your local manufacturing extension partnership for guidance and potential grants. Step 3. Research and apply for state-specific grants and tax credits. Step 4. And finally, leverage the NSA's no-cost cybersecurity services to reduce your overall financial burden. By combining these resources, you can build a robust and financially sound strategy for CMMC compliance, securing your place in the future of the defense supply chain. Ready for a strategic, cost-effective CMMC plan? Connect with our experts today. Visit www.tandtllc.com to explore our full services or schedule your free 15-minute discovery call using the link in the description. We hope you found this helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.